So these are JEE question from the first lesson differentiation. So let's see what are question. So first question is y is equal to x sin x. Then what is the value of or which expression is correct among this? Okay. So start from given expression. So given expression is y is equal to x into sin x. So first we have to differentiate and find out the value of dy by dx. Okay. So differentiate y derivative with respect to x is dy by dx, then x into sin x. So x into sin x means two functions are multiplied here, u into v. Okay. So when two functions are multiplied here, we have to go with the rule u into v. And what is the rule? That the first function is a constant and derivative of the second function plus second function is a constant and derivative of the first function. So this is the rule u into v which we can apply when the two functions are multiplied to each other. Okay. So therefore x is a constant, derivative of sin x it is a cos x plus sin x is a constant and derivative of x with respect to x it is 1. So this is value of dy by dx, but all expression are given in terms of cot, only cot. Okay, so we have to convert this expression into the cot. So for converting this expression into the cot, we have to divide by the x into sin x. So divide by, because there is only cot function. Okay, so 1 upon x into sin x divide 1. Okay, dy by dx is equal to x cos x dividing by x sin x, x get cancelled. Cos x dividing by sin x means it is cot x plus sin x get cancelled 1 upon x. Okay. So which one is the correct option? So cot x plus 1 or 1 upon x plus cot x. So 1 upon x plus cot x, 1 upon x plus cot x. Okay. And but dy by dx. So with dy by dx there is a value and 1 upon x sin x means it is y. So I can replace this value by y. Okay. So correct option is A option. The next question is, this is question number 2 and the given value is find the ddx of e power x plus 3 log x. Okay. So first simplify this expression. So I can write this expression as, or I can separate this power to the e. Okay. So I can write this value as e power x into e to the power 3 log x. Okay. So ddx of e power x as it is. Again I can simplify this. So e power, I can write this 3 into the power of x. Okay. So it will get e power log x cube. Okay. Now every log have a natural base e and e to the power log e. This whole value is a 1. Okay. Means e to the power log e x cube. This expression have the value x cube. So ddx of e power x as it is and value of this whole expression you will get x cube. Okay. Now this is complete simplified function. Now you can differentiate. So differentiate. Okay. So again here two functions are multiplied. So apply the u into v rule, and in the u into v rule first function is a constant, means e power x is a constant. Derivative of the second function, so x cube derivative is a 3x square plus second function is a constant, means x cube is a constant, and derivative of the first function means e power x derivative is e power x. Okay. So I can take e power x common and also x square common. Okay. So what is remaining? Remaining is 3 plus x. So let's see what is the correct option. E power x square. So this A option e power x into x square bracket x plus 3. I can write this value as x plus 3. Okay. So this A option is correct. Then next question is if y is equal to x square log x plus 2 upon root x. Okay. Then what is the value of dy by dx? To simply differentiate, so dy by dx is equal to, again x square into log x means apply the u into v rule, and in the u into v rule, first function is a constant, means x square is a constant. Derivative of the second function, so log x derivative is 1 by x plus log x is a constant, and derivative of the first function, so first function is the x square, so x square derivative is 2x plus 2 is a constant value and 1 upon root x. So I can write this root x value x to the power minus 1 by 2. Okay, because root means it is the power 1 by 2, and when I shift this value in the numerator, it power get negative. Okay, so this whole calculation get x to the power minus 1 by 2. So I can use here formula to differentiate that d dx of x to the power n, which have the derivative n into x to the power n minus 1. Okay, so here n value is minus 1 by 2, x to the power n minus 1, so n value is minus 1 by 2 minus 1, so total derivative is minus 1 by 2 x to the power minus 3 by 2. Okay, so this is derivative of this x to the power minus 1 by 2. Okay, and x to the power minus 1 by 2 means it is 1 upon root x. So 1 upon root x derivative is minus 1 by 2, x to the power minus 3 by 2. So I did this calculation in the rough, and I am directly writing this calculation here. So it's a total derivative is, I am writing here, 2 is a constant value, and its a total derivative is minus 1 by 2 and x to the power minus 3 by 2. Okay. So this x and x will get cancelled. So dy by dx is equal to, x is remain here, plus 2x into log x. So x plus 2x log x, x plus 2x log x, x plus 2x log x, and x plus 2x log x. So every option have this value. So we have to go with this third value, and in the third value this 2 get cancelled, this plus and minus get minus, and I can write this x to the power minus 3 by 2 in the positive form. So I can write this value as a 1 upon x to the power 3 by 2. Okay, so correct option is minus 1 upon x to the power 3 by 2, which is given in the option B, 1 upon x to the power 3 by 2. Okay. This is also given that minus 2 upon x to the power 3 by 2, but in the numerator here is minus 2, so this option is wrong. So correct option is B option. Okay. Then fourth question. So fourth question is y is equal to x square bracket cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, in the second bracket cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 and plus sin x. Okay. So I am writing this question quite here. Y is equal to x square bracket cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, in the second bracket cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, square bracket close, plus sin x. Okay, square bracket here is close, plus sin x, and plus one more term is 1 upon 2 root x. So we have to find out the derivative of this value dy by dx. So simply differentiate. So first simplify this function. So y is equal to x as it is, and observe these two values, that cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into the second bracket cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So these both values are same, only sign get changed. Okay, means this value is in the form of a plus b and in the form of a minus b, and a plus b into a minus b means product is a square minus b square. So I can write this expression in this form: a square minus b square. Okay, so a square means it is a cos square x by 2 minus b square means it is a sin square x by 2. Okay, and this is inside of the round bracket and plus sin x and 1 upon 2 root x as it is. Okay, now this cos square theta minus sin square theta, it is the formula of cos square theta minus sin square theta. So it is the formula of cos 2 theta. Okay. So our expression is in this form. So I am writing this value in this form, cos 2 theta. Okay. So y is equal to x into cos 2 theta. And what is the theta here? Theta is x by 2. Okay. And plus sin x inside of the square bracket plus 1 upon 2 root x. Okay. So this 2 get cancelled and finally I get y is equal to x square bracket cos x plus sin x plus 1 upon 2 root x. Okay. So this is simplified function. Now you can differentiate. Okay, so differentiate this. So y is equal to, first I am multiplying by x, or you can apply the u into v rule. This is u value and this whole value is a v value. Okay, so you can also apply the u into v. So suppose first function is constant, u is a constant, and derivative of ddx of this second function is whole cos x plus sin x plus second function constant cos x plus sin x is a constant and derivative of the first function. So first function is x and x derivative with respect to x is 1. So you don't need to write here. Plus 1 by 2 is a constant value and 1 upon root x derivative. In the previous question I explained this value in the detail. So this derivative gave minus 1 by 2 x to the power minus 3 by 2 using the formula x to the power n. Okay. So this is value of dy by dx. So therefore dy by dx is equal to 2. Okay. X is as it is, ddx of this cos x derivative is minus sin x and sin x derivative is the cos x. Okay. This is cos x plus sin x as it is, and this plus into minus means minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 it is minus 1 by 4 and x to the power minus 3 by 2, x to the power minus 3 by 2 means x to the power minus 3 by 2, I can write this value as 1 upon x to the power plus 3 by 2. Okay. So this is 1 upon x to the power plus 3 by 2 and again check the options. So what are options given here? Options are 1 plus x cos x, 1 minus x sin x. Okay, so we have to take the cos x and sin x common. So dy by dx is equal to, so from multiply by x, so it will get minus x sin x plus x cos x plus cos x plus sin x. Okay, and minus 1 by 4 into 1 upon this x to the power 3 by 2. I can write this value in the form of root. Okay, so how can I write this value? I can write this value as x into x to the power 1 by 2. Okay, this x have the power 1 and again you will get the addition of this 2 power x to the power 1 plus 1 by 2. I can get this addition as a x to the power 3 by 2. Okay, so I can write this x to the power 3 by 2 in this form, x into x to the power 1 by 2. So x into x to the power 1 by 2, this is the equivalent form of x to the power 3 by 2. So just take the cos x and sin x common. So if I take the sin x common, dy by dx if I take sin x common, then what is remaining? Remaining, first write the positive term. So positive term is 1 and minus x. So 1 minus x into sin x plus, if I take the cos x common, then what is remaining? Remaining is 1 plus x minus 1 by 4 into 1 upon x, and x to the power 1 by 2 is, I can write this value as the root x. Okay. Now check the option. So 1 plus x cos x, 1 plus x cos x, 1 minus x cos x, and 1 plus cos x. So maybe the A and C option correct. Then 1 minus x sin x. So 1 plus x cos x and 1 minus x sin x. So here is 1 plus x sin x. So this option is wrong. So A option is correct, that 1 plus x cos x, 1 plus x cos x plus 1 minus x sin x minus 1 upon 4x root x. So this option is absolutely correct, A option.